Xfinity Wi-Fi Pass lets Xfinity customers connect to millions of public hotspots, and you can use it on a PS5 in 2025 with just a few steps. Start by making sure your Xfinity account is active and Wi-Fi Pass is enabled. On your PS5, go to Settings, then Network, choose Settings, and select Set up Internet Connection. Pick the network called Xfinity Wi-Fi from the list. The console will connect, but you'll need to sign in to finish. You can sign in using the PS5 browser by visiting the Xfinity Wi-Fi login page and entering your Xfinity ID, or use the Xfinity mobile app, which now supports faster authentication with QR codes. Once signed in, your PS5 should go online. Make sure your console firmware is up to date, since newer updates improve hotspot detection and stability. For gaming, NAT type is important. Xfinity hotspots often default to a strict NAT, which can cause multiplayer issues. The best result is NAT Type 2, which works well for most games. On your PS5, go to Network Settings, open Advanced Settings, and make sure UPnP is enabled. This allows automatic port handling and can improve connectivity, though results vary on public hotspots. If NAT issues continue, alternatives include using a mobile hotspot, which usually provides better NAT behavior, or connecting through a private home network instead of public Wi Fi. Also remember that public hotspots may require re-signing in every few hours. Speeds can vary, and using a VPN can add extra security when gaming on public Wi Fi.